Hi everyone, I am Johnny Santamaria, a criminology student of Our Lady of Fatima University, first year section 2. Today our topic is all about the concept of global relation and locating global south. First, let's define what is global relation. Global relation refers to the interactions and connections between countries and international actors on various political, economic, social, and environmental issues. It focuses on the way nations relate to each other and engage in diplomacy, cooperation, and conflict resolution on a global scale. These are the concepts of global relations. Number 1, interdependence. Number 2, globalization. Number 3, security. Number 4, soft power. Number 5, regionalism. Number 6, crisis diplomacy. And number 7, soft law. First, let's define what is interdependence. Interdependence refers to the mutual reliance and interconnectedness between states and other actors in the global system. It recognizes that actions and events in one part of the world can have significant effect on the other regions, reinforcing the need for cooperation and coordination. Next is globalization. Globalization is the increasing interconnectedness and integration of economies, cultures, and societies worldwide. It is driven by advancement in technology, communication, transportation, and the liberalization of trade and investment. Globalization has profound effect in global relations, including the flow of goods, services, information, and people across borders. The third concept is security. Security is a central concern in global relations, and it encompasses both traditional and non-traditional security threats, such as military conflicts, terrorism, pandemics, cyber threats, environmental degradation, and resource scarcity. States and international actors cooperate to address these challenges through measures such as arms control, peacekeeping operations, and counter-terrorism efforts. Next is soft power. Soft power refers to the ability to influence and shape the behavior of others through attraction, persuasion, and the spread of ideas, culture, values, and norms. It is often contrasted with hard power, which involves coercion and the use of military or economic force. Soft power allows states and non-state actors to gain influence and achieve their objectives through non-coercive means. Number 5 is regionalism. Regionalism refers to the strengthening of cooperation and integration among countries within a particular geographic region. Regional organizations such as the European Union, African Union, and the Association of Southeast Asian Nations, or ASEAN, are formed to address shared challenges, promote economic integration, and enhance political solidarity among member states. Next is crisis diplomacy. Crisis diplomacy refers to the diplomatic efforts undertaken during times of emergencies or crises, such as armed conflicts, humanitarian disasters, or political upheavals. It involves rapid decision-making, negotiation, mediation, and the mobilization of resources to manage and resolve the crisis while minimizing potential harm. And the last concept of global relations is soft law. Soft law refers to non-binding agreements, principles, and guidelines that guide the behavior of states and other international actors. It provides a framework for cooperation and coordination on various issues, even though compliance with soft law instruments is not legally enforceable. Soft law contributes to shaping norms, standards, and practices in global relations. Now let's talk about the Global South. Global South refers to countries and regions that are located primarily in the southern hemisphere and face similar economic, social, and political challenges. It is a term used to describe a group of countries that are often less economically developed and face higher levels of poverty, inequality, and underdevelopment compared to countries in the global north. The global south is characterized by a diverse range of countries from different continents, including Africa, Asia, Latin America, and parts of Oceania. These are the regions and countries that are part of global south. First, we have Africa. The entire continent of Africa is frequently considered part of the global south, with countries such as Nigeria, South Africa, Kenya, and Ethiopia being prominent examples. Second, we have Asia. Many countries in Asia are included in the global south, including India, Indonesia, Bangladesh, Pakistan, and the Philippines. Third, we have Latin America. The majority of countries in Central and South America such as Brazil, Mexico, Argentina, Colombia, and Peru are considered part of the Global South. And lastly, we have Oceania, where some countries in Oceania like Australia and New Zealand are part of the Global North. Other island nations such as Papua New Guinea, Vanuatu, and Fiji are often categorized as part of the Global South. Now this ends our discussion. I hope that you learned something new about the topic that I discussed today. Thank you.